In this video, I'll show you how to create your own interactive application using the Motioncube Memory template, completely on your own and entirely for free. First, go to motioncube.io and click on the For Integrators tab in the top menu. Then download the free Motioncube Player software to your computer. After installing and launching the program, go to the Application Store section and select App Templates. Search for the Motioncube Memory template and install it to your account. Great! Now we can start creating your application. In the first step, you'll fill in the basic information. You can choose an icon. Set your own application name. Add a description to help users understand the rules of the game. You can also define the resolution and scaling method. In the next step, you'll decide how the layout should look. You can upload your own graphics and adjust the game settings. Simply add image files from your local disk. The Motioncube Memory template also allows you to replace the default sounds with your own audio for different stages of the game. Finally, you can choose which additional screens should appear in your application. For example, an intro screen, a success pop-up, or an end screen. Each of these can be fully customized to match your concept. And that's it. Just click Create Application, and your app will automatically be added to your personal application library. You can now test it on your computer or launch it directly on your interactive device. Visit our Help Center for more tips on working with templates.